Yo, what's up everybody? We're back working on the red Foxbody for Aiden, so I'm gonna show you guys what we're up to real quick. Alright, so I haven't shot very much footage of this car since I've torn off the front end to repaint it, but I figured I'd go ahead and break out the camera and show you guys. So this is the front cross member here. I just took the steering rack off to get this cleaned up a little bit better. I've cleaned up the metal on the other sides. As you can see, with the wire brush, well, rather the wire wheel, I don't know where I put it, the wire wheel. So went ahead and wire wheeled it, got it cleaned up, and got all this dirt that's here in the front. So I took the power steering rack off of the front, and I'm gonna go so I can get all this off and get it cleaned up. There's just bunch of mud and crud and dirt and oil and grease all in there, so we're gonna get that cleaned up with the wire wheel and here's the front end. Got this torn down pretty good. Not too good of a light in here with the door out, so put the door down so you guys can see a little bit better. So just getting the engine compartment tore down and cleaned up, sanded up, cleaned up, stripped, you know, ready for paint. Took the booster off and all that. Just laid it kind of to the side. I'll get that cleaned up and painted too. And, you know, just a lot more work to get done. I got the front bumper off here. It's got a little bit of repair that's got to be done in this front corner here. You can see it's got some cracking in there, so I'm gonna have to, you know, clean that out and get that all repaired. But yeah, I haven't shot much footage on this car since I tore the front end off, but there it is, the Foxbody. All right, well, I got to get back to work, so I'm gonna start cleaning this front end back up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, here's the front engine cradle. Got it all cleaned up. Got a little bit of surface rust on it from a few spots. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of rust removal preventative on there. A little bit of primer. We're going to put that on with the brush there. I got to find a little cup or something to put it in, and we'll go ahead and wipe that thing down, let it dry overnight for a good cure, and see if I can flip this thing. I got it all cleaned, all in there, all clean up in there. Not that you guys can really see, but anyhow, I'm gonna fuzz this baby up. Alright, y'all, well, I just put the files on that, and it's about 2 in the morning, so I'm going to call it a night and go to bed. See you guys.